All right, good afternoon, everybody. We're on YouTube and we're here for the February the 15th, 2022 docket. And we're going to bring in Mr. Tejeda. Oh, yeah, he's on already.
Good afternoon,
And-
Judge. I'm here.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. And good afternoon, Jill.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Yes, sir. Our first person is Carlos Bernal.
Yes, sir, he's coming.
All right. Thank you, sir. That's going to be a plea, right, Mr. Tejeda?
That is, Judge. We're present, ready for plea, Your Honor.
All righty. Very good. All right. Good afternoon, sir. Carlos Daniel Bernal, CR 21-09710D. Please raise your right hand. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand down. Your charge here, Class B misdemeanor, DWI. It carries a potential penalty of up to 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
And you understand that you're entitled to a jury trial, you're entitled to an appeal, and that you waived those two rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
No, sir.
You understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendation after you give your plea?
Yes, sir.
And what is your plea, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
All right, state.
Judge, state offer plea document and offense report as Exhibit 1, notification and certification of defendant right of appeal as Exhibit 2, waiver of Article 39.14, disclosure as Exhibit 3. State would also request defense counsel to stipulate to the venue and jurisdiction of this honorable court, and to also stipulate that evidence has been filed is sufficient to cover plea guilty.
Judge, we have no objections to the exhibit, Your Honor. We so agree and stipulate.
And without objection, so admitted. It'll be the judgment of the court. The defendant is guilty as charged. And a recommendation, state?
Judge, the state recommend $100 fine, court costs, 180 days in the Delaware County Jail, credit for 180 days.
All right, court will hereby waive the fine and court costs. It'll be 180 for 180. It will be a time served. All right,
Thank you.
anything else, Mr. Tejeda?
No, Your Honor. Thank you, Judge.
Oh, yes, sir. You may be excused. Thank you, Mr. Bernal. Good luck out there. Okay, sir?
Thank you, sir.
You're excused. Bye-bye. Miss
Number 5 and number 6.
Miss Judith Cantu, Daniel Gomez.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, Miss Cantu. Daniel Gomez. It'll be a plea on both cases, right, ma'am?
Last one. I'm gonna tell the judge.
Just one, Judge.
Oh, just one?
Just Judge.
Oh, which one?
The deadly conduct one, Judge.
Okay, I got it. I got it. That'll be the plea on this one here. Let me see. Can he? Okay, he's trying to put on his mask or what? What is he going to do?
He had taken it off, but they told him to put
Oh,
it
okay, okay, that's fine. All right, here we go. CR 21-11 462D. Daniel Gomez. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Judge,
You may
I'm
put
sorry,
your-
Judge. He needs to wear his mask on. So I'm gonna tell him to put his mask on. Put it on.
Okay, he was having a hard time.
If they give me a bigger one, because this don't fit me.
Just put it
I tried to
on.
get-
Back to the set.
Daniel, just put it on, and right now they'll give you another one. It's not gonna take a long time.
You can put it on.
All right, let me see.
Judge, he's being all cooperative. If he continues that, I'm gonna put him back into his cell.
Let's keep that.
Okay,
Try to put it on, Daniel, so we can get
just
it.
put it
over
on,
with.
man. It'll just be for 1 minute, 2 minutes. All right, you swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Yes?
You gotta speak up.
All right. CR 21-11 462D, Daniel Gomez, your charge, Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And you understand that you're entitled to a jury trial, you're entitled to an appeal. Did you waive those two rights?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
No, sir.
You understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendation?
Yes, sir.
And what is your plea, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty?
And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
All right, state.
Judge, state offer plea document and offense report as Exhibit 1, notification and certification of defendant right of appeal of Exhibit 2, waiver of Article 39.14, disclosure of Exhibit 3. State would also request defense counsel to stipulate to venue and jurisdiction of the honorable court, and to also stipulate that evidence has been filed sufficient to plead guilty.
We have no objection, Your Honor. We would also agree and stipulate.
And without objection, so admitted. It'll be the judgment of the court. The defendant is guilty as charged in CR 21-11-462D, State versus Daniel Gomez. Recommendation, State?
Yes, Judge. State recommend $100 fine, court costs 155 days in Hidalgo County Jail, credit for 155 days.
Court will waive the fine and court costs.
Also, Judge, the defendant should stay away from Joe Ellie Rodriguez.
And I believe you're gonna, that's the alleged victim, and you're gonna unadjudicate or dismiss that ever case, Mike?
Okay. Okay, just stay away from Joely Rodriguez. All right. But in this case, no fine, no court costs, 155 for 155 days. That'll be a time served on this case. It'll be a time served. And then there's a second case, right, State?
Yes, Judge, on CR 21-11455D, that one will be dismissed with the plea to the felony, which the defendant already pled to the felony.
All right, then court will hereby dismiss CR 21-11-455D, State versus Daniel Gomez. This case is hereby dismissed. All right, one was a time served and the second one dismissed. You're free to go. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. That's all I have. May I be excused?
You may be excused. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, who do we want to call next?
Mr. Garza.
Mr. Garza, you have Justin Ramos, right, sir?
Justin Ramos, Your Honor, we're ready for a plea.
All right, Justin Ramos. He's got 4 cases? Yes, he does. All right, 4 cases for Justin Ramos. State, is it going to be a plea on all of them?
Judge, it will be a plea on 3 of them, Judge.
On 3 of them? Which is the one that he's not going to plea on?
The evading, Judge. That will be dismissed.
Number 4.
Number 4? My number 4, okay. No plea on this one?
That's the evading arrest, John. I believe.
Evading, no plea. Okay. All right, there's 4 cases, Mr. Ramos. 1, you're not going to plea on, but there's 4 cases. So it'll be a plea on 3 then. Please raise your right hand. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You may put your hand down, and here are the 3 cases. CR 21-10-029D, CR 21-10-030D, and CR 21-13-436D. All of them are Class B misdemeanors. Each case is a theft case. Each case carries a potential penalty of up to 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that for each case, you're entitled to a jury trial, you're entitled to an appeal, and that you waived those 2 rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
I have not.
You understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendations after you give a plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is your plea, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily on all 3 cases? All right.
I am.
All right. State?
Judge, state offer plea document and offense report of Exhibit 1, notification and certification of defendant right of appeal of Exhibit 2, waiver of Article 39.14, disclosure of Exhibit 3. State would also request defense counsel to stipulate to the venue and jurisdiction of his honorable court, and to also stipulate that evidence has been filed sufficient to plead guilty.
No objection, so stipulated.
Without objection, so admitted. It'll be the judgment of the court. The defendant is guilty as charged on all 3 cause numbers. Recommendations, State, are they identical by any chance?
They are identical, except for one has a restitution amount, Judge.
All right, go ahead.
Okay, so for the one that has a restitution amount, Judge, it's going to be CR 21-10-029D, and the recommendation is $100 fine, court costs 173 days in the Hidalgo County Jail, credit for 173 days, restitution in the amount of $399 due and owed to Good Time Smoke Shop.
Okay, is it 399.0?
Yes.
Okay, smoke shop. Okay, so then for all 3 cases, it's $100 fine plus court costs, 173 days or credit for 173?
Yes, Judge. And
All right.
and then just one more sure, it's 399. So
399?
yes, Judge.
All right, very well. All right, then for all 3 cases, waive the fine and court costs because of the time in jail.
Thank
So
you.
it actually be a time served for all three cases, 173 for all three cases.
Yes,
And
sir.
then, and there's a fourth case, right, sir?
Yes, Judge, let me see what.
The 35?
That's 35, that's
Yes,
correct.
Judge, for CR 21-10035D, that will be dismissed with the formation plea, Judge.
All right, court will hereby dismiss CR 21-10-035D, State versus Justin Ryan Ramos. This case is hereby dismissed. Is that the understanding for everything, Mr. Garza?
It is, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Ramos, time served for all three cases and then one dismissal. Okay, sir?
Okay, thank
All right,
you.
you're excused. Thank you very
Y'all
much.
have a
Thank you,
good day.
Judge.
You too. Have a good day, Mr. Garza.